everyone, and welcome to the 2020 Giant Health Awards. As you can see, I made an effort to actually put a suit on, and thankfully it just about fit after this 9 months without wearing anything smarter going out. So we thought we'd celebrate the very best of innovation technology, not just in the UK, but around the world. So I've also got my glass of non-alcoholic champagne. So cheers to everybody who's entered in the competition. This is the 6th year of Giant, and we're pleased to say that we've propelled ourselves with the virtual platform to bring a community of 200,000 people together across the globe. We'll be celebrating today and championing the world's best innovators, entrepreneurs, and businesses within healthcare technology. It's been a great year for all of us in that sense. Obviously, COVID has demonstrated the innovation required to overcome some of the hurdles in healthcare to make it more equitable. Over the years, there have been numerous outstanding achievements within healthcare that have improved the lives of millions worldwide. And all the finalists here today have been at the very forefront of these achievements, trying to put health and care at the forefront of all of our minds, of course. There'll be a number of award categories over the next hour or so. There will be the leaders in healthcare innovation with Entrepreneur of the Year, Startup of the Year, and a Female Entrepreneur of the Year. We're also looking at healthcare technology innovation, a number of awards in this category, of course. There is the Best Application of Immersive Tech in Health, Best Tech Innovation in Mental Health and Digital Therapeutics, Pharma, Best Tech Innovation, Women's Health, Tech Innovation of the Year, Best Wearable Tech in Healthcare, and Best Medical App. We're also going to give an award for investors who support the health tech industry. And we have a VC Investor of the Year. We've been inundated with votes. We've had over 4,000 people voting for these various categories. So it's been very competitive, and hopefully we will showcase how amazing the tech industry has been to promote health in 2020. And we also have a Healthcare Innovator of the Year as voted for by the public, which I'll present at the end. Our judges have been very busy over the last few weeks, looking at the votes and who's going to be applicable for those awards. And it's a pleasure for me to announce those judges that helped us. There's Priscilla Beale from Bayer. And Bayer, of course, is a life science company with more than 150-year history of core competencies in the areas of healthcare and agriculture. With Bayer and its innovative products, they are contributing to find solutions for us all and solving some of the major challenges in our time. Lucy Young, who's the founder and CEO of Charco. Charco Neurotech develops Q1, a focused vibrotactile stimulation device for people with Parkinson's. And you've seen a whole track this week on the Parkinson's and its manifestations. Q1 uses a unique combination of 2 research-validated vibrating-based Parkinson's therapies, focus stimulation and cueing. So it basically discreetly reminds the user of the silent vibration when they need to take their medication. The Q1 application also includes a number of fun games designed to track symptoms and severity over time. This can be helpful for Parkinson's specialists as well as to evaluate users during their checkups. Our third and last judge was Melissa Snova, CEO and founder at Nourished. Melissa is an entrepreneur, visionary, and a trendsetter in the world of food technology and 3D printing. She is passionate about developing innovations which offer solutions to her customers, challenge her competitors, and disrupt current market offerings. She's currently the founder and CEO of Remedy Group, which pioneers personalized health solutions across nutrition and medicine under the brands Nourished and Scripted. Nourished is the world's first truly customized nutrition product, which uses patented 3D printing technology and a vegan encapsulation formula to combine 7 different active ingredients into one personalized nutrition gum stock. So now we're happy to carry on. So I'll now let you carry on. I shall sip my champagne and congratulate all the winners over the next 50 minutes. Thank you so much.
The finalists for the Entrepreneur of the Year are Vine Health, Fibris, Medicine, and Spirit Digital. Vine Health is a digital platform that leverages data science and behavioral science to optimize oncology patient outcomes. Fibris is an AI-powered mobile platform for community-based diagnosis and monitoring. Medicine is a medical device company that produces smart treatment of diabetes and other chronic diseases. And last but not least, Spirit Digital is part of the Spirit Health UK group, and their mission is to make health easy for service providers and patients by offering innovative health solutions. And the winner of the Entrepreneur of the Year is Vine Health.
Hi there, it's Raina Patel here. I'm CEO and co-founder at Vine Health, and on behalf of the whole team, I'm incredibly grateful to accept this award. Congratulations to all the other companies involved, and thank you to Giant Health for organising. We're delighted to have been selected amongst such brilliant competition. Thanks very much.
List for Startup of the Year are Accurix, Get Nourished, HydroSense, and Bios Health. Accurix makes software that's easier for healthcare staff to communicate with patients and each other. Get Nourished produces vitamins and nutrients that are conveniently 3D printed into one personalized sugar-free gummy. HydroSense is a breakthrough telemedical system that introduces a new definition of medical appointment. Bios Health uses AI-powered neural interfaces that can automatically read and write neural signals to treat chronic disease. And the winner of Startup of the Year is Get Nourished.
Hi, I'm Melissa Snowbird, the CEO and founder of Nourished. There's so much contradictory information nowadays about health and wellness. It's seemingly impossible to know what you really need. So my team and I developed Nourished, the world's first truly customized 3D printed daily nutrition stack. Using our cutting edge 3D printers and our patented vegan gel encapsulation formula, we can create a unique product for each and every person in a matter of minutes. By answering a few short questions, our clever algorithm will gather information about you and give you a recommendation for the nourishments which are best suited for your lifestyle and goals. Compared to traditional vitamins and supplements, we make your Nourish fresh to order, meaning that the efficacious nutrient density in Nourished is 99.5% or higher. And because we encapsulate all of the actives in our vegan gel, your body digests Nourish just like any other food, meaning that you absorb up to 70% more of all that goodness and get the maximum benefit. Or if you know what you want, you can create your own Nourish blend by selecting any 7 nourishments from our extensive list of 28 vitamins, minerals, superfoods, and actives. Of course, as our lives move on, our nutrient requirements also evolve, so you can change your Nourish mixture at any time as your lifestyle and goals also change. Once you've selected your perfect Nourish blend, my team and I will 3D print your stacks for you in our Birmingham-based UK facility and ship them to your door every month in our convenient 100% plastic-free home compostable packaging solution. All with less hassle, waste, and cost than if you bought your individual vitamins and supplements separately. We believe at Nourished that if anything in the world should be personalized, it's our health. And we won't stop until personalized health and nutrition is accessible to everyone, everywhere.
The finalists for Female Entrepreneur of the Year are Fibris, the AI-powered mobile platform for community-based diagnosis and monitoring; Vine Health, a digital platform that leverages data science and behavioral science to optimize oncology patient outcomes; and Thronica, which helps arthritis sufferers gain the best clinical outcomes through remote monitoring, determining if diseases are responding to treatment or if the conditions are in remission; and Get Nourished, which produces vitamins and nutrients that are, again, 3D printed into one personalized sugar-free gummy. And the winner of Female Entrepreneur of the Year is Fibris.
Thank you so much for this award, Giant Health. My name is Elena Naidenova and I am the CEO and co-founder of Fibris. I am both honored and uncomfortable to receive this award. Honored because at Fibris we share Giant Health's ambition to improve global health and well-being through innovation. We want to see a world where no one suffers from treatable conditions simply because they can't access a doctor. And we work relentlessly to deliver a new standard for remote monitoring, powered by AI, to ensure that every household around the globe can access early diagnosis and treatment. But I'm also uncomfortable to receive this award, because the real entrepreneurs this year have been our carers, nurses and doctors who have transformed their work to integrate solutions like ours and fight the pandemic. Without them, our technology, with all its fancy AI, is simply inanimate. And just like our NHS and social care heroes rose to unimaginable challenges this year, we in the health tech community should have the courage to continue to do so. It's our duty not to be solving today's challenges and problems with yesterday's solutions, to continue to innovate and keep our patients and users at the core, to make usability an unhealthy obsession so that we become true enablers and not impediments in these challenging times. So if you're offering or procuring solutions in this space that do not have the same level of convenience and constant advancement as your banking app, your delivery service, or your preferred social media platform, you're doing a health service a disservice. All of us should challenge ourselves to be as courageous as our carers, nurses, and doctors. At Team Fibris, we're a team of entrepreneurs, and this award is for all of us. I'm immensely proud to be sharing this journey with everyone on our team and thank them for their incredibly hard work this year.
The finalist for Best Application for Immersive Tech in Health, AdaptTech Limited, a biomedical innovation company that brings new smart technologies to market that improve the quality of life for people with physical limitations. SureWash, a validated hand hygiene training system helping organizations achieve compliance, reduce the risk of infections, and improve patient outcomes. MedAI Solutions, a new biomedical innovation combining artificial intelligence and deep machine learning. So the winner is AdaptTech Limited. Congratulations.
The Insight sensors are low-profile, biocompatible pressure-sensing strips, which are applied to the socket for 3D scanning in the Insight scanner. The Insight scanner creates a precise 3D model of the inner surface of a prosthetic socket in under 90 seconds. Place the socket into the scanner with the socket opening facing up and secure it in the gripping mechanism. The scanner is activated using the Insight iPad app. Once the socket has been scanned, the patient wears the socket with the sensors in place. The sensors are connected to the Insight wearable. During the tests, the system collects and wirelessly transmits pressure and gait data in real time. The app produces a comprehensive analysis to identify pressure points and potential problem areas in the interface. This analysis takes into account both static and dynamic testing, allowing clinicians and technicians to achieve a better fitting through a more efficient process.
The finalist for Best Tech Innovation in Mental Health Digital Therapeutics. Silver Cloud. Silver Cloud Health is the world's leading digital mental health company, enabling healthcare organizations to deliver clinically validated digital therapeutic care. Wealthy Therapeutics, pioneering digital therapeutic for chronic disease management. Nori Health. Chatbot Nori coaches people living with IBD or IBS to optimize lifestyle behavior and live a healthier life. Cara Care provides patients with chronic gastrointestinal issues with personalized care. So the winner is Silver Cloud. Congratulations.
Silver Cloud is an online therapy platform designed by clinical experts that allows people to improve their mental health and well-being in a supported environment. Its programs use evidence-based methods, including cognitive behavioral therapy. They are comprised of 6 to 8 modules and include videos, quizzes, and interactive tools. From the homepage, you can access program modules. Users work through these at their own pace. Key tools to help users improve their symptoms include a journal, a mood monitor, thoughts, feelings, and behavior (TFB) cycle, activity scheduling, and the worry tree. Users learn about the core psychological concepts through animations and illustrations, while a diverse set of personal stories show how these ideas can be applied to daily life. Questionnaires such as the PHQ-9 and GAD-7 help to track progress. Trained supporters motivate and encourage patients on their journey through the program. Through regular messages, the supporter will answer any of the user's questions, guide them to relevant content, and tailor programs by giving them access to additional modules. Support happens over an 8 to 12 week period at a recommended pace of 1 module per week. A module usually takes about 40 minutes to complete. Silver Cloud is compatible across all devices, such as smartphones and laptops, providing on-demand care anytime, anywhere.
The finalists for Pharma Best Tech Innovations are Patch AI, the first empathetic virtual assistant for patients enrolled in clinical trials. Get Nourished produces vitamins and nutrients that are conveniently 3D printed into one personalized sugar-free gummy. Vine Health. Vine Health is a digital platform that leverages data science and behavioral science to optimize oncology patient outcomes. Best Health for You develops new and advanced material solutions for skin interacting medical devices. So the winner is Patch AI. Congratulations.
Every individual's health is unique and distinctive. The ability to observe, collect, and track the subtle nuances in everyone's rapidly changing state of mind and body can create a new frontier in delivering patient-centric care, making personalized medicine a reality. At Patch AI, we want to capture and decipher this complete picture. We have developed an empathic virtual companion that uses AI and machine learning to engage patients via conversations. Patch AI follows and captures every single step of the individual's journey, motivating them at every step. By aligning the user's perspective and needs with their clinical responses, we can now aid them and their caregivers in fully understanding and taking control of their own health. The spectrum of behavioral and clinical data converges for the healthcare industry to gain insight for therapy effectiveness and patient experience based on predictive analytics. This vantage point for investigating real-world data will allow clinical researchers to identify the correct individual patient fit for innovative therapies. At Patch AI, we discern the intricacies of human behavior, ensuring patient engagement at every step.
The finalists for the Women's Health Tech Innovation of the Year are Enhanced Fertility, an exciting and revolutionary digital program making fertility education, support, and care accessible to all. Nabta Health, which is a purpose-built technology platform for women's health, empowering women to identify, manage, and prevent non-communicable diseases. Med AI Solutions, a new biomedical innovation combining artificial intelligence and deep machine learning. And Chelsea and Westminster Hospital, which is part of the NHS Foundation Trust and is one of the top-ranked and top-performing hospital trusts in the UK. And the winner is Enhanced Fertility. Congratulations.
It is with great honor that the Enhanced Fertility Program team is here today receiving this award. To think that 20 years ago, I was just a teenager being diagnosed with infertility, having to cope with the challenges of not being able to conceive and still considering all the consequences that that would end up having in my life. To 20 years forward, being here today with an amazing team and a great app, knowing that we are helping so many women and couples worldwide improve their reproductive health, and also helping them connect with fertility clinics and experts that can help them along the way. Thank you so much.
The finalists for the best wearable technology in healthcare are Natrux Wound Care, which is an oxygen therapy, which is medical device delivered and designed to simply heal wounds. Adaptech, a biomedical innovation company that brings new smart technologies to market that improve the quality of life for people with physical limitations. Medicine, which is a medical device company that produces smart treatments for diabetes and other chronic illnesses. And Mystery Vibe, deeply researched, doctor-endorsed, award-winning products and content to address sexual health issues with pleasure. And the winner is Natrux Wound Care. Congratulations.
Hello, and thank you for this award. It's truly an honor to be recognized as a leader in the wearable technology and healthcare category. We at Initech strive on a daily basis to assure that patients who could benefit from Natrox have access to that throughout the world. I'm fortunate because I hear from many patients on a regular basis how Natrox has been able to not only heal them, but also to allow them to live a normal lifestyle throughout this process and throughout the therapy. Natrox has truly been a lifeline to many of these patients, as many have suffered for months and even years with wounds that just won't heal. They've been subject to many different therapies and treatments, none of which have worked, but Natrox has. So it's a great honor to be recognized that Natrox is both effective, but also easy to use throughout this process. I thank you again and have a great day.
The finalists for the best medical app are C2 AI, which is a precision clinical analysis and analytics system that delivers high quality care more efficiently and at a lower cost. The Balance app, which is designed by menopause specialists to help you become more prepared for the premenopausal and menopausal symptoms and outcomes by allowing you to take control of your health and body. Ada Health, which supports better health outcomes and clinical excellence with intelligent technology. And Echo, which delivers NHS prescriptions for free. And the winner is C2 AI. Congratulations.
Hospitals exist to save lives, make people better, not make them worse, and do so as economically as possible. It would be easy to measure these fundamental outcomes if every patient, treatment, and hospital was the same. But the real underlying performance and issues are blurred by the huge variations between patients and their comorbidities, and then buried under the range of treatments, staff, and processes that make every hospital unique. This is the challenge that our zero integration software systems have overcome. This easiest analogy is to an MRI scanner. Our CRAB retrospective system carries out the scan of a hospital system, taking a series of precise scientific slices of the organisation from patient level up to pinpoint best practice, where the problems are and how to fix them. Current hospital monitoring and reporting can only see around 10% of the variation that we identify and then help hospitals resolve. Among the many recommendations and references, this estimate suggests we could save 70,000 lives and £1 billion annually in the NHS alone. Our Compass tools work at the point of care to help assess and triage patients. For example, they can reduce the number of patients acquiring hospital-acquired pneumonia and acute kidney injury. These are conditions acquired in hospital that can block up to 25% of ICU beds and cost billions. This is all backed up by a lot of science. 30 years of research, 12 years of development, all built around the world's biggest patient dataset drawn from 46 countries. We've had some wonderful recognition from governments and from award bodies. But in the end, we're proudest of the support from clinicians and thought leaders around the world. Please get in touch to discuss how we can trial these tools in your hospital and provide demonstrable improvements in outcomes while saving cost.
The finalists for VC Investor of the Year are Oxford Capital, a specialist investment manager focused on delivering real returns for their clients. And the winner is Oxford Capital. Congratulations.
Amazing.
thank you to Giant and the judges. At Oxford Capital, our passion is on backing founders right at the start of their journeys and supporting them all along the way. We're proud to have invested in and backed some exceptional founders in sectors from cancer therapeutics right through to digital health. I believe that today, with so much pressure and so many challenges in the healthcare sector, that many of the answers to these challenges lie in the startups of today, and we'll continue to play our part. So thank you.
We thought this year we'd give the public a chance to have their say and vote for their favourite health innovator of the year. The engagement for our first awards has been nothing short of incredible. So thank you so much for our great community around the world. And thank you to all the companies who applied for this prestigious award. So let me announce the finalists for the Innovator of the Year Awards as voted by the public. They are 360 in 360 Immersive Experiences, Fibris, Spirit Digital, Health Tech Live, Natrox, and Wealthy Therapeutics. So we kind of need a drum roll. Apologies, we don't have the ambience of a proper live theatre. Nonetheless, we can announce the winner. And the winner for the Healthcare Innovator of the Year Award, as voted for by the public, is Fibris. Congratulations to you. Fibris, if you don't know already, is an AI-powered mobile platform for community-based diagnosis and monitoring. An amazing company, amazing project, and ambition to really solve some of the challenges we have in healthcare. So congratulations to Fibris. Hopefully we can meet at some point in the new year. Otherwise, congratulations to all of our attendees, all the nominations, and of course the winners. But thank you to you, the public, who really engaged with us on this award ceremony. Thank you to my team at Giant, who have been absolutely instrumental in doing this. Laurice has been so great at managing this whole award ceremony, to the back end, working so hard to make sure it's all worked effectively. And of course, to the tech team and all the wider community of Giant to come together to really celebrate what's good about tech, health, and innovation. So thank you so much for joining me. Please continue to look around Giant, and hopefully you can find other things that will be of interest to you. Otherwise, I'll say goodbye to you.